On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Remit.
The act of sending money or payment to someone. The area of responsibility or authority assigned to a particular person or group. Verb, to send money in payment or as a gift.
Examples:
Tax remit. Remit by cable. The remit of the committee is to review the company's financial statements.
Ginormous.
Combination of gigantic and enormous, extremely large.
Examples:
Ginormous elephant. Ginormous skyscraper. The construction site was filled with ginormous pieces of heavy machinery.
Pleach.
To interweave or intertwine branches or plants to create a hedge or fence, to cause things to intersect or cross each other.
Examples:
Pleach trees. Pleach grapevines. The gardener pleached the branches of the hedge to form a neat, woven pattern.
Graft.
A transplanted portion of tissue or skin, often taken from one part of the body and used to repair or replace damaged or missing tissue in another part. A corrupt or illegal means of acquiring wealth or power through illicit or unethical methods.
Examples:
Graft surgery. Anti-graft law. The patient's skin graft procedure was successful, and he was released from the hospital.
Osculate.
To kiss, to come into close contact or touch.
Examples:
Osculate at this specific point. Osculate her cheek. The melody of the song osculates with the rhythm perfectly.
Modicum.
A small or moderate amount of something, often something that is desirable.
Examples:
A modicum of truth. A modicum of sense. A modicum of patience is needed to complete this project successfully.
Scaffold.
A temporary platform or structure used to support workers and materials during construction or maintenance work.
Examples:
Scaffold construction. Go to the scaffold. The construction workers set up the scaffold to reach the top of the building.
Epithet.
A descriptive word or phrase used to characterize or describe someone or something. A term or nickname that highlights a particular quality, attribute, or characteristic.
Examples:
Literary epithets. Offensive epithet. He was given the epithet the King of Rock and Roll for his iconic contributions to music.
Veggie.
Short for vegetarian, relating to or consisting of vegetables.
Examples:
Veggie omelet. Veggie dip. I prefer to eat veggie burgers instead of traditional meat burgers.
Vitro.
Used as in vitro, a scientific experiment or procedure that takes place outside of a living organism, usually in a test tube or petri dish.
Examples:
In vitro fermentation. In vitro diagnostics. The lab technician used in vitro fertilization to help the couple conceive.
Regenerative.
Tending to regrow or restore lost or injured tissue.
Examples:
Regenerative medicine. Regenerative therapy. The regenerative properties of stem cells make them a promising area of research.
Medicinal.
Of or relating to the treatment or cure of disease.
Examples:
Medicinal chemistry. Traditional medicinal. The medicinal properties of this herb have been known to help with various ailments.
Sentient.
Having the ability to perceive or feel things, particularly through sense perception like touch or sight, especially at higher levels of intelligence and consciousness.
Examples:
Sentient beings. Sentient robots. Animals such as dolphins and elephants are highly sentient and intelligent creatures.
Sect.
A group of people who follow a particular religious or philosophical belief system, especially one that is regarded as outside the norm or mainstream.
Examples:
Sect beliefs. Secret sect. The minority sect believed in a set of unconventional religious practices.
Cilium.
A microscopic, hair-like cellular projection that is found on the surface of many cells in the body, helping them to move or trap debris.
Examples:
Cilium movement. Primary cilium. The microscopic analysis revealed a cilium's presence on the single-celled organism's surface.
Sphincter.
A circular muscle that regulates the flow of material through a passage or opening, such as the anus or a valve in the digestive system.
Examples:
Urinary sphincter. Anal sphincter. The digestive system's sphincter muscle helps regulate the food and waste flow.
Cathedral.
The main Christian church of a bishop's diocese, which is often the largest and most important church in the area.
Examples:
Cathedral school. Cathedral choir. The cathedral's stained glass windows depicted scenes from the Bible.